Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add a phone number on Skype account on an Android device. Well, adding a phone number to your Skype account can enhance your account security and accessibility. It allows you to use your phone number for verification, password, recovery, and two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. So, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open Skype app on your device. Okay, so here tap on link your phone number option. And in this page, enter your phone number. After finishing, and then click next. Okay, so now input the verification code which sent to your phone number. And then click next. Okay, so now your phone number is successfully added to your Skype account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a phone number on Skype account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.